let's make some cheesy potato deep fried bombs. That's right, bombs. All you need is some leftover mashed potato, some grated cheese, some spring onion, bacon if you have it. If you don't worry, but it tastes better with bacon. Everything does. And you just need some mustard powder and garlic powder, breadcrumbs, and an egg. And if you want, chili flake. Let's go. Get yourself a big bowl. Mashed potato in, bacon bits in, green onion in, mustard powder, garlic powder in, a little bit of pepper on there as well. No salt because I already put salt in the mashed potato. Very important. Cheese in. Any type of cheese you want, you can use anything. Chili flake, just a little bit because they're very spicy. Mix it all together with your hand, make sure your hands are clean. Now, if your mixture's quite sticky, like mine, pop it in the fridge, just to harden it up a little bit with all the mixture. Beat an egg. Best way to beat an egg? Chopsticks. Believe it or not, chopsticks is the best way to beat an egg. I don't care what anyone says, it's true, it's fact. Roll them into about a golf ball size, alright? Maybe a little bit smaller. About a golf ball. It's important you do this when it's cold. If it's hot, it won't work, it just stick. Again, pop them back into the fridge so they cool down for the next bit. Alright, take one, roll it around in the egg, into the breadcrumbs. Cover it in breadcrumbs like so. Then you should have a plate like this. Pop it back in the fridge. The fridge! Again, 5 minutes. Just let them cool a little bit. Very hot in my bag. There's two ways you can cook these. You can put them in the air fryer if you want to be a bit healthy. Just spray them with some, what do you call it? Fry light. Healthy? Who's going to be healthy when you've got cheese and potato? Deep fry it! Come on, deep fry it! That's what we're going to do. Pan! Deep fry them. Naughty, I know, but has to be done. Gonna need a lot of oil. 5 minutes. There we go. What do you think of those bad boys? Deep fried potato with cheese and bacon. Oh, cheese, bacon, potato. Wow.